Hey, how's it going? I'm Alex, and today I want to show you this 14-inch mattress in a box, memory foam mattress in a box that this brand sent to me for the video. Sorry about my cat. And what you're going to have to do with this one is once you get it out of the box, it comes just like this in a bag, and of course it's going to be all folded. So you're going to have to put it out, extended, and let it rest for about 24 to 48 hours. 48 hours is going to be better, but you can actually do 24 if you want. That way it's going to actually decompress and have the perfect height, which is going to be 14 inches. And of course, since it's a memory foam, you got to let it rest and just to accommodate. So I'm going to actually cut out the bag right here, and then we're going to come back probably tomorrow or the day after, so I can put it in the bed and you can check it out, how it feels and how it looks, of course, and I can give you my opinions about it. Let's do it right now, and I see you soon. So I'm still gonna say wow, because I was not expecting this one to be kind of like so comfortable, but also to adapt to my body this well. It is a memory foam. This topper, it is a 3-inch memory foam, and then you can actually remove it. You're gonna see right here on the sides, you kind of like have some clips and hooks, so you can actually remove the whole thing if you don't want it, and then you're gonna have the hybrid 11 inches mattress. So this is kind of like a mid between a super soft memory foam and then a mid firm on the 11 inches. So you can remove it if you want. But then let me show you something that you're gonna see, kind of like pay attention to the actual mattress, to this actual topper right now when I'm kind of like stepping out. So pay attention to this. You're gonna see the shape of my body right here. Probably you can see it. And it takes about, that's it, 5-10 seconds to get the same shape than before. And this is what it makes it to be so comfortable, because I do like, that's what I was so surprised about it. I do like more firmness in the mattress, but when I tried this one, I was super surprised in how thick it is and how firm the memory foam is. I don't know if I can actually explain that very well, because the memory foam is actually super firm and it compresses so much and then it decompresses right away. So that's actually a really nice thing. Let me actually show it to you in a close-up. So this is kind of what I was showing you before. Right here, you're gonna find these clips. So you can, by the way, you can see that it has the letter of the brand right there in a really nice and stylish way. So you can actually remove this, take it out of the actual hooks, nice and easy. And you can see down here is gonna be the 11 inches mattress, which this one is more like a mid-firm, I want to say. This is the soft one. This is the mid-firm one, and this is the soft one. So you can see that this one takes less time and actually gets back to shape. By the way, take a look at this kind of like golden accents over here. But then this is the super soft one. So take a look at this. It takes a little bit of more time than the other one, just because this one is softer. Also, I do like this breathable fabric over here. Feels really nice, and it has some kind of just super little holes over here to help it to be more breathable. So I really like this one, and I believe that it can easily be your next mattress 100%. 14 inches, comes in a bag and a box. Remember, let it breathe for about 24 to 48 hours. Mine was about 36, I want to say, kind of like in the middle, and then it's gonna take this really nice shape. Super breathable, 3 inches topper and on 11 inches mattress down there, mid firm to soft firm over here. I like it. Oh, I do recommend it. Thumbs up. Thanks for watching. Oh, feels so nice. See you soon.